Byte sizes explained in 3 minutes. Ever wondered what people actually mean when they say 1 gigabyte, 1 terabyte, or even petabytes? Why does your phone storage fill up so fast? And what do those numbers really represent? In the next few minutes, you'll finally understand byte sizes in a way that actually makes sense. Byte sizes are the foundation of all digital data. Every photo, video, app, or file on your device is measured using these units. But terms like kilobyte, megabyte, and gigabyte can feel confusing if no one breaks them down clearly. So, in this video, we'll explain what bytes are, how they scale, and what they mean in real life. The question is, what is a byte? Let's start with the basics. A byte is a unit of digital information. It's made up of 8 bits, and a bit is the smallest piece of data in computing. It can only be a 0 or a 1. So think of a byte as a small building block of data. 1 byte can store a single character, like a letter or number. Everything on your computer, from text to videos, is built from these tiny units. Now here's where it gets interesting. Byte sizes grow in powers of 1024. Each step up represents a massive increase in storage capacity, even though the names might sound similar. To make this easier to understand, here's what these sizes look like in real life. So, when your phone says it has 128 GB of storage, that's actually a huge amount of data capacity. You might be wondering, if gigabytes are so big, why does storage fill up so quickly? That's because modern files are much larger. High-resolution photos, 4K videos, large apps and games, system updates. All of these consume megabytes and gigabytes very quickly, especially as quality and complexity increase. Here's a common mistake. Bits B are smaller, bytes B are larger. For example, internet speed is measured in megabits per second, Mbps. Storage is measured in megabytes or gigabytes, MB, GB. And since 1 byte equals 8 bits, download speeds can seem slower than expected if you don't know the difference. Understanding byte sizes helps you. Choose the right storage device, manage your phone or computer space, understand internet speeds, avoid running out of storage unexpectedly. It's a simple concept, but incredibly useful in everyday tech. In summary, byte sizes are units of digital data that measure how much information a file or system can store, from tiny bits all the way to massive terabytes and beyond. If you want a simple guide on how much storage you actually need for your phone or computer, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, simple tech explanations that actually make sense.